Hi dear students, earlier we have solved practice set number 1.1 and 1.2. It was based on substitution method or graphical method. But in exercise number 1.3, we will learn about determinants. We will solve this method by Cramer's rule. And what is the purpose for solving this method? We are solving this method because it can be solved in a lesser space. It can be solved very easily. So we will start with practice set number 1.3. So students, A, B, C, D. These are four alphabets I have written, and we have to find the determinants A and C and B and D. This AC, it is what? Rows, and BD, it is what? Row. And A and B, it is what? Column. C and D, it is what? Column. So AC and BD are rows, AB and CD are columns, and their degrees are 2. So we will solve practice set number 1.3, question number 1. So students all can see practice set question number 1. We have to find the determinants, the value of this 3, 4, 2, 5. So what? We will cross multiply this 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4. So 3 5s are, it is what? 15, and 2 4s are, it is what? 8. So 15 minus 8 will give you 7. So it is very easy. Student, question number 2, it is first and second, it is same of question number 1. It is very easy, you all can solve. But I will solve question number 3. It's very easy, I will solve it. So students, 1.3 question number 2, sum number 3, 7 upon 3, 3 by 2, 5 by 3 and 1 by 2. It's very easy, cross multiply 7 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 2 minus 5 by 3 multiply by 3 by 2. So 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6 minus 5 threes are 15, 3 twos are 6. So LCM is what? 6. So 7 minus 15. So 7 minus 15 minus 7 will give you what? 8. So sign greater minus 8. So minus 4 by 3 is your answer. Students, remember one thing while solving Cramer's rule. We have to find d, dx, dy and value of x and value of y. Over here you all can see d, a1, a2, b1, b2, dx, c1, c2, b1, b2, and for dy, a1, a2, c1, c2, and for finding x, dx upon d, for y it is dy upon d. Okay, question number 3, first question, sub question first. 3x minus 4y equals 10, that is equation number 1. 4x plus 3y equals 5, equation number 2. First we will find this d. And for finding, I have told you all a1, a2, b1, b2. But what is it? a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Look here. This is a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. You all have to remember this. D, a1, a2, b1, b2 for dx and for dy, and this you all have to remember it. It's very simple. So now it is what? a1, a2, b1, b2, c1 and c2. So for finding D, a1, that is 3, 4, b1 and b2, that is -4 and 3. So next we will cross multiply 3 into 3 minus -4 into 4, and we will get the value of D as 25. For dx, c1 c2 and b1 b2. c1 c2 is what? 10 and 5, -4 and 3. So again we will cross multiply this. So 30, this minus get plus, so 30 plus 20 will give you 50. So value of dx is what? 50. Same way for y, a1, a2, c1, c2. So a1, a2 is what? 3, 4, 10 and 5. Again cross multiply 15 minus 40 minus 25 you will get, and we have find the value of dy as -25. Now we have to get the value of x and value of y. So by Cramer's rule, formula is what? X equals dx upon d. So value of dx we have got as 50 and value of d is what? 25. So x equals 2. And same way for y, dy upon d. So -25 upon 25 will give you 1. So the solution set of the simultaneous equation is what? 2, -1. X is 2, y is -1. So it's simple. So 2, 3, 4 and 5 are same as of 1. But in 6th term, you all can see 2x plus 3y equals to equation number 1. No problem with that. But when you look, x minus y upon 2 equals 1 upon 2. The denominator is what? 2. So what we will do? It's very simple. Don't get nervous. We'll multiply this by 2 throughout. So while doing this, x into 2 minus y upon 2 into 2, 2 get cancelled, half into 2, this 2 will get cancelled. So the third equation we will get 2x minus y equals 1. So now I have written it over here. 2x plus 3y equals 2, equation number 1. 2x minus y equals 1, equation number 3. Now a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Now you all can solve it very easily. Remember the formula for finding D: a1, a2, b1, b2. Cross multiply, get the answer. Same way for x, for x dx, it is what? c1, c2, b1, b2. Cross multiply, get the answer. Same way for y, and afterward by Cramer's rule apply the formula and get the answer of x as well as y. So now we have come to practice set 1.4, and first sum, it is what? 2 upon x minus 3 upon y equals 15, equation number 1. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y equals 77, equation number 2. It's very easy. We will solve this by substitution method. You all can see x, y, denominator, and over here it is what? Same. So what I have done, 2, 1 upon x 3 1 upon y. Same way over here 8 1 upon x plus 5 1 upon y. So I have substitute this 1 upon x equals a and 1 upon y equals b. So in this 1 upon x 2, so 2a minus 1 upon y equals b, so 3b equals 15, that is equation number 3rd, and 8a plus 5b equals 77, that is equation number 4. It's very easy. So what I have done in this, nothing is same, but I can make these two as equal. How? Multiplying equation number 3 by 5 throughout and this 4 by 3 throughout. When I have multiplied, I get the answer as 10a minus 15b equals 75. New equation, that is 5. 24a plus 15b equals 231, that is equation number 3. When you see plus and minus, these are what? Opposite sign, but minus 15 and plus 15 will get cancelled. So what remains is what? 34a equals 306. We have added this equation number 5 and 6, and we have got the value of a as 9. After, again what we will do, we will substitute this value a equals 9 in equation number 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. So while substituting this, I have got the value of b as 1. Now what I will do, I will resubstitute this again, resubstituting 1 upon x equals a and 1 upon y equals b. So 1 upon x, a value is what? 9, b value is what? 1. So x equals, this 9 will come over here and this x over here, so x equals 1 upon 9, and this y equals 1 upon 1 equals 1. So solution set is what? X equals 1 upon 9 and y equals 1. Students, second sum, if you all can see, x plus y, x minus y in equation number 1, x plus y, x minus y in equation number 2. Same way, what we will do, we will take 10 bracket 1 upon x plus y plus 2 1 upon x minus y. Same way we will substitute this 1 upon x plus y equals a or 1 upon x minus y equals b. So we will get new two equations and look whether it is coming same or not. Okay, we will multiply, we will get new equations, then we will resubstitute it and we will get the value of x and y. So third and fourth, it is similar to first one. Hope you understand. With that, practice set number 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 has been done. Thank you.